Cup. A small container with a handle used for drinking liquids. Example: I drank tea from my cup. She filled her cup with coffee. The cup is made of porcelain. He held the cup carefully. Can I borrow your cup, please? The cup is half full. I need a bigger cup for soup. The cup is too hot to touch. She sipped her tea from the cup. He placed the cup on the table. The cup was filled with milk. I rinsed the cup with water. The cup has a handle. I prefer drinking from a cup. She gently set the cup down. Plate. A flat, circular dish used for serving food. Example: She served food on the plate. The plate was filled with pasta. He placed the plate on the table. The plate broke into pieces. I need a clean plate, please. The plate is made of ceramic. He stacked the plates in order. The plate slipped from her hand. The plate is round and white. The plate had a crack. The plate was decorated with flowers. He held the plate carefully. The plate was empty and clean. She picked up the plate. He dropped the plate accidentally. Bowl. A round container used for holding food or liquids. Example: She ate soup from the bowl. The bowl was filled with fruit. He held the bowl carefully. The bowl slipped from her hand. I need a larger bowl, please. The bowl is deep and round. She placed the bowl on the table. The bowl was empty and clean. I scooped ice cream into the bowl. The bowl had a crack. The bowl was filled with cereal. She rinsed the bowl with water. I grabbed a wooden bowl. The bowl had a colorful pattern. The bowl was filled with salad. Spoon. A utensil with a shallow, bowl-shaped end for eating. Example: She stirred the soup with a spoon. The spoon was made of silver. He held the spoon carefully. The spoon slipped from her hand. I need a teaspoon, please. The spoon is small and shiny. He scooped ice cream with a spoon. The spoon was dirty and sticky. She licked the spoon clean. I stirred the coffee with a spoon. The spoon had a long handle. She placed the spoon on the saucer. I used a wooden spoon for cooking. The spoon was missing from the set. He measured sugar with a spoon. Fork. An utensil with pronged ends used for picking up food. Example. He ate spaghetti with a fork. The fork was made of stainless steel. She held the fork firmly. The fork slipped from his hand. Can you pass me a fork, please? The fork has 4 tines. I used a fork to mix the salad. He washed the fork with soap. The fork was shiny and polished. She tapped the fork on the plate. I set the fork next to the knife. The fork had a plastic handle. He picked up the fork delicately. The fork was bent out of shape. She twirled spaghetti around the fork. Knife. A sharp-edged utensil used for cutting or spreading food. Example. He cut the bread with a knife. The knife was sharp and shiny. She held the knife carefully. The knife slipped from his hand. Can you pass me a knife, please? The knife has a serrated edge. He spread butter with the knife. The knife was missing from the set. I used a knife to chop vegetables. The knife had a wooden handle. He washed the knife with soap. The knife was dull and rusted. I set the knife next to the fork. The knife had a curved blade. She sliced the cake with a knife.